Hello friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. If you're watching my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe and click the bell icon. Today's subject is Strength of Material, Unit 2, Solution for Problems, Part 8. If you want to see the previous video of this subject, please click the I button on the top of the video. It will show the playlist on both the languages, Tamil and English. This subject and also the other subjects in the I button. So please watch all the videos and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today topic is solution for problem number 3. So this is the third sum. A rectangular wooden column of length 3 meter and size 300 into 200 mm carries a axial load of 300 kN. The column is found to be shortened by 1.5 mm under the load. Find the stress and strain. So this is the question given by them. First we are going to see they given a wooden piece. So it is a rectangular shape with a length of 3 meter and its breadth and thickness is 300 into 200 mm and it carries a load up to 300 kilonewton and it has a deformation. So the column is found to be shortened. So due to the load, compressive load, the wooden piece is compressed and change in length by 1.5 mm. So it is a change in length, that is 1.5 mm due to the load, and we are going to find the stress and strain. So first we are going to take given data from the question. The given data is length. So length of the column small l equal to 3 meter. We are going to convert the meter into mm. So for a 1 meter we have 1000 mm. So 3 into 1000 it is 3000 mm. And then the width, that is breadth, b equal to 300 mm and the depth d equal to thickness equal to 200 mm. And we have the change in length due to the load, that is 1.5 mm. Del L change in length is 1.5 mm and the load capital P equal to 300 kilonewton. For the kilo K we have to convert that for 10 to the power of 3. It is the value of 1000. So 300 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton. And to find is stress small p and strain small e. So this is we are going to find now. Now we are going to the solution. In solution, we know first we have to find the stress value. So we know the formula of stress. So stress equal to load by area. So for the stress we use small p and the load capital P divided by area capital A. So we know the value of load. So I am going to substitute the value of load, but we don't know the value of A, that is area. So 300 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by A. We are now going to find the value of the area, that is A. So area A equal to B into T, breadth into depth. We know the value of breadth and depth. The breadth and depth value is 300 into 200 mm and the value is 60,000 mm square. So the breadth also have the unit of mm and depth also have the unit of mm. Into mm we get mm square. So this is the unit. So 60,000 millimeter square. And now I am going to substitute the value of the area into the stress formula. So in that A, so the value of stress equal to 300 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by 60,000. Now we are going to calculate that. We get the answer up to 5 Newton per mm square. The Newton per mm square comes from the load Newton and the area is mm square. So Newton divided by mm square. It is the stress unit. So the value of stress is 5 Newton per mm square, and then we are going to find the strain. The formula of strain is change in length divided by original length. So E equal to del L by L. We know the value of change in length and also the original length. Now I am going to substitute that. The value of change in length is 1.5 and divided by original length is 3000. So by dividing this we get 0.0005, that is 0.0005 with the value of strain. Now I am going to write the result for this problem. The result, first one, stress small p equal to 5 kilonewton per millimeter square and the strain E equal to small e equal to 0.0005. These are the values of stress and strain. We are going to find that. We found that. And friends, if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.